So the project is paused or shut down?
Yeah, it passed for now. But them all contest it. And told me see it look like them are gonna lose.
The good thing is, your name is not on the project anymore.
It's not that my name on the project. The good thing is that I get rid of the original documents.
So, does that mean your name can still get called on it?
Pretty much.
What that mean?
It mean it easy for proofs that my signature was forged.
But you'd still be in a hassle with them and the law.
Me not think them are gonna risk it. I see the look on Tony's face when I tell him say the papers them don't exist no more.
You actually tell him?
Yep.
Why you do that?
Because him come on my office.
For what?
He ask about him daughter and her mother.
Wait. What? Him that brazen?
Yeah. And in bravery, make him do stupid things.
What happened?
Nothing. Him just, come and bad up himself as usual.
Carlton?
Yes.
Look at me.
Is what?
What happened at the office?
Well, we had some strong words with each other.
Only that?
Alright. Drum weapon, I'm a draw mine.
I knew it. So, tell me, you want Tony in a dick measuring contest?
What? Celine, you hear what he just say? Look, the man pull him gun. What do you expect me to do?
Be the bigger person?
And get shot?
Carlton, come on. So you think Tony would have been so stupid to fire a shot in your office?
Well, me certainly never gonna wait to find out.
So him pull out and you pull out too?
What? Celine, me like how that sound. That, better you say, him brandish him weapon and me brandish mine.
All may I say, your office is not where you should fear him.
That's the thing. I don't fear him at all.
Fear is not a bad thing, you know. It keeps us in check and reminds us that we're humans.
And that's how me learn it. Fear keep you crippled and weak in a mind and body.
Okay. You need to be aware and alert then. That sound better?
Yeah, we can work with that. That sounds more like it.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
You know one guess?
Huh?
You can serve him? Warm to the AC.
Oh, yeah, it cannot get warm in here, though. Sorry about that.
It's so weird.
Is that better?
It's much better. You didn't see me sweating?
A little sweat never hurt nobody.
What happened with his daughter?
She's back with her mother and safe from him.
And he's fully aware that you're the one that took her to the mother.
Yeah. Come and want him to know.
Carlton, I wanted to know that he's most dangerous now. Please be careful.
Wow.
What?
That sounded so genuine.
Maybe because it was.
Okay.
Let me ask you something. Is it that hard to believe that I still care about you?
Well, kinda. Especially the fact said come off your tongue so easy. It's like you totally forget about the past.
I'll never forget the past, Carlton. But as for me, I use the past as a guide, not as a hindrance.
Easy for you, say.
And I certainly don't use it as a weapon.
I think I'm using that as a weapon.
Every chance I get. Listen, Carlton. I'm well aware of what went down between us. And we can't stop you from holding on to it. But if this is gonna be the case, then just let's never speak again. In my mind, I've paid you back. So I won't spend time trying to justify myself. It's not fair.
Look, Celine. What?
But just a wait for hear something you haven't already said as it relates to what went down. Oh, Celine, you hurt me. Celine, you deceived me. I can't trust you.
You rehearsed this?
No, Carlton. It's coming from a place of truth. There's no more secrets between us. You know who I am now.
Do I? Wait, Celine. Please, don't leave.